Justice Carpio, what can you say about Marcolita's statement that there is no West Philippine Sea?
Alam mo, we are asking our Navy, our Marines, our Air Force personnel, even our Coast Guard to risk their life, defend the West Philippine Sea, to defend our maritime zones, our island territories. Ngayon, sasabihin mo, walang West Philippine Sea. Paano yan? Parang inuuto mo yung ating mga military personnel. Pinapadala mo dun. Sige, sumugod kayo, lumabang kayo, risk your life. Pero paliwala yan. That's just a figment of our imagination. We have to take this seriously. Dahil yung West Philippine Sea, if you get the area of the West Philippine Sea, no? Yung area ng waters natin, mas malaki pa yan sa total land area ng Pilipinas. Lahat na isda, lahat na oil, gas, and mineral resources sa atin exclusively. Napakahalaga yan. Hindi pwede sabihin, baliwala yan. Hindi sa atin yan. Walang West Philippine Sea. Kawawa naman yung future generations of Filipinos. Mawawalaan sila ng galunggong. Kinukuha natin yung galunggong sa West Philippine Sea. Tumaas na yung presyo ng galunggong, nag-import tayo sa China. Saan kinukuha ng China yung galunggong? Sa West Philippine Sea, atin. Pero pinayagan ni President Duterte to fish in the West Philippine Sea. Kaya kinuha nila yung galunggong, naubos ang galunggong, we have to buy it from China now. So we have to protect what is ours.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share. And thank you for watching.